Welcome to Dr. S. Thapar Academy, where you'll learn to earn money online effortlessly and professionally, without spending a penny. Join us for expert business and financial growth strategies. We're all about that tech that pushes boundaries. But what if I told you some of the most groundbreaking tech today could also make you a millionaire, like crazy fast? We're talking AI, artificial intelligence, the stuff of sci-fi movies. But it's here, and it's ready to change the game. This isn't about replacing hustle, though. It's about working smarter, not harder. Imagine having an army of digital assistants working 24/7, automating your income streams, and finding you the best opportunities. That's the power of AI. So, if you're ready to level up your earning potential and dive into the future of wealth creation, you're in the right place. Stick around, because in this series, we're breaking down the top 5 AI tools that could literally make you a millionaire. Let's get it. First up, we're talking about Jasper AI, and if you're in the content game, this is your new secret weapon. Look, we all know content is king, right? Blog posts, ads, product descriptions, the internet runs on this stuff. But creating high-quality content takes time, and time is money. That's where Jasper comes in. Think of it as your AI copywriting team, working 24/7 to pump out SEO-optimized, engaging content. Jasper doesn't just write words. It crafts stories, hooks readers, and converts like crazy. Imagine you're running a blog or an e-commerce store. You need a constant stream of fresh content, but who has time for that? Jasper does. It can write product descriptions that make your customers hit add to cart without you lifting a finger. Blog posts? Jasper churns those out like a digital Hemingway. This is about scaling your content, your brand, and ultimately your income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, MKBHD, but is it really that easy? And honestly, that's the crazy part. Jasper is shockingly simple to use. You feed it some basic info, your topic, your target audience, maybe a few keywords, and boom, Jasper takes it from there, generating multiple options for you to choose from. It's like having a brainstorming session with the smartest writer in the room, except this writer never sleeps and runs on algorithms. But the real magic happens when you see the results. Jasper doesn't just write, it writes well. We're talking engaging, persuasive, SEO-optimized content that ranks high in search engines and converts like a beast. And the best part? Jasper frees up your time so you can focus on the big picture, building your brand, connecting with your audience, and scaling your business to levels you never thought possible. All right, moving on to another AI powerhouse that's changing the game, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, maybe even chatted with it a bit. It's fun, right? But what if I told you this is more than just a fun AI to play with? This thing can seriously level up your business. We're talking about automating tasks, generating creative ideas, even building entire chatbot systems for your website. ChatGPT is like having a business partner who's available 24/7, fluent in every language, and has an encyclopedic knowledge of, well, pretty much everything. Let's say you're running an e-commerce store. Customer service can make or break you, right? ChatGPT can handle those customer queries in real time, providing instant support, resolving issues, and keeping your customers happy. But it's not just about customer service. ChatGPT can generate business ideas, write marketing copy, even code basic websites. This is about working smarter, not harder, and ChatGPT is your AI-powered shortcut to success. Now, one of the coolest things about ChatGPT is its versatility. It's not a one-trick pony, you know? This AI can adapt to different tasks and industries, making it a valuable asset for entrepreneurs, marketers, developers, pretty much anyone looking to leverage the power of AI. Imagine you need to write a killer ad copy for your new product launch. You feed ChatGPT some details about your product, your target audience, and maybe a few competitors. Boom, within seconds, you've got multiple ad copy options, all crafted to convert. But it gets even crazier. Let's say you need to build a simple chatbot for your website. You don't need to be a coding wizard. ChatGPT can handle that too. You tell it what you want your chatbot to do, and it generates the code for you. This is next level stuff, people. And the best part is, ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving. So as you use it, it gets better at understanding your needs and delivering even more impressive results. All right, moving on to number 3, we've got Copy AI. And let me tell you, this tool is a beast when it comes to generating copy. Like seriously, it's like having a team of professional copywriters at your fingertips, 24/7. Whether you need to whip up some killer ad copy for your latest social media campaign, craft compelling product descriptions that'll have customers hitting that add to cart button, or even write engaging emails that people actually want to open, Copy AI has got you covered. And the best part is, you don't need to be a wordsmith to use it. It's incredibly user-friendly. Just tell Copy.ai what you need, like, write me a Facebook ad for my new line of wireless headphones. And boom, it'll generate a bunch of different options for you to choose from. It's all about speed and efficiency here, people. Copy.ai takes all the headache out of writing, freeing up your time and energy so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and raking in those profits. Now, let's say you're launching a new product on your e-commerce site. Could be anything from a sleek new smartphone case to a revolutionary kitchen gadget. You're hyped, you're ready to go, but then it hits you. The product description. It's got to be good. It's got to grab attention, highlight the key features, and ultimately convince people to buy. But writing compelling product descriptions can be a real pain, am I right? Well, not with Copy AI in your corner. This tool can churn out persuasive, benefit-driven product descriptions in minutes, saving you precious time and effort. And it doesn't stop there. Copy.ai can also generate scroll-stopping ad copy for your product launch, ensuring that your message cuts through the noise and reaches the right audience. Trust me, with Copy AI, you'll be converting those casual scrollers into paying customers in no time. Alright, so you've got this killer app idea, right? You're ready to disrupt the market, but there's just one problem. You need a team of rockstar developers to build it. That's where Turing comes in. It's like having a superpowered recruiter in your pocket. Seriously, Turing leverages the power of AI to match you with top-tier developers from around the world. We're talking about pre-vetted talent, people who are ready to hit the ground running on your project. And the best part? Turing handles all the messy stuff. Think about it. No more sifting through endless resumes. No more awkward first interviews. Turing's AI does all the heavy lifting, finding developers with the specific skills and experience your project demands. They've got you covered, from front-end wizards to back-end gurus. Look, building a tech startup, or even just launching a new website, requires serious talent. But finding that talent, that can be a full-time job in itself. Turing streamlines the entire process, saving you time and money in the long run. And because Turing focuses on remote talent, you're not limited by location. You can build your dream team with the best developers, no matter where they are in the world. Plus, Turing's platform makes collaboration seamless. It's like having a dedicated project management tool built right in. You can track progress, communicate with your team, and make sure everyone is on the same page. No more communication breakdowns, no more missed deadlines. So, if you're looking to build something great, but dreading the developer search, check out Turing. It might just be the secret weapon your startup needs. We all know video is king these days, right? Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or even just your website, engaging video content is key to grabbing attention. But creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and, let's be honest, kind of intimidating. That's where Lumen 5 comes in. It's like having a full-fledged video editing team at your fingertips, but way less expensive and way more efficient. Lumen 5 uses the power of AI to transform your written content. Think blog posts, articles, even social media updates into captivating videos. Yeah, you heard that right. Just paste in your text, and Lumen 5 will automatically create a video storyboard, complete with images, music, and even text animations. It's like magic, but with more algorithms. Think about it. You've already put in the work to create amazing written content. Now, Lumen 5 makes it easy to repurpose that content for a whole new audience. Reach those visual learners, keep people engaged, and take your content strategy to the next level. And the best part? You don't need any video editing experience to use Lumen 5. The interface is super intuitive, even if you've never touched a video editing software before. They've got tons of templates, stock footage, and music options to choose from. Or you can upload your own assets to really make your videos unique. Customize the colors, fonts, even add your own voiceover. Lumen 5 gives you all the tools you need to create professional-looking videos that represent your brand. So, if you're ready to ditch the static text and breathe new life into your content, give Lumen 5 a try. That's it for today's video on the top 5 AI tools that can help you become a millionaire quickly. From generating killer content with Jasper to automating your customer service with ChatGPT, these tools are changing the game for businesses of all sizes. Let's recap. Jasper AI. Your AI writing assistant, cranking out blog posts, ads, and product descriptions in a flash. ChatGPT, OpenAI. The ultimate customer service rep, handling queries, generating ideas, and even building chatbots. Copy.ai. Your social media secret weapon, crafting compelling ad copy, product descriptions, and email campaigns. Turing, the AI-powered matchmaker, connecting you with top-tier developers to build your dream project. Lumen 5, transforming words into video gold, making engaging content creation easier than ever. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use them. These tools are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical skills. So why wait? Start exploring these AI tools today and unlock your true earning potential. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to up their AI game, and subscribe to Dr. S. Thapar Academy for more tips on using AI to build your online business. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.